Hi and welcome to our channel. First of all, I want to say Merry Christmas. If you're here, it's because you've decided to watch a video on how to make a traditional Cuban Noche Buena meal. What is that? Good night. Noche Buena means good night. But we're going to make Lechon Asado, roast pork, arroz blanco, white rice, Frijoles Negros, black beans, yuca con mojo, plantains, and tostones. Let's get to cooking. Okay, to make this a quick meal, we had to take some shortcuts. Normally I would make my own mojo. Mojo is a traditional Spanish marinade. It's actually made with sour oranges, lots of garlic, cumin, oregano, salt, and pepper. Instead of making my own mojo, I buy this ready-made Badilla mojo, which is great. It cuts corners. It helps me to make this a quick meal. So traditionally, mojo is made with sour oranges, garlic, cumin, oregano, salt, and pepper. Lots of garlic. We're talking like 10 to 20 cloves of garlic chopped up. If you can't find sour oranges, you can use half the amount of orange juice and half the amount of lemon juice. So 2 cups of orange juice and 2 cups of lemon juice. Cumin, oregano, salt, and pepper. That will take care of your mojo. Again, I will leave all the recipes in the bottom of the video. Okay, shortcut black beans. Traditionally, I would buy a bag of just raw black beans and cook it in the pressure cooker. Trying to make this a quick meal, we're going to use canned black beans. But here's the trick. With black beans, the liquid that it comes in, if you cook it in there, you're going to have a lot of flatulence. Yes, you are. So the trick is there's a lot of enzymes that are built up with the liquid in the black beans. What I do is I strain the black beans, and when I cook it in some chicken stock. Rinse your canned black beans. Rinse your black beans so your family will love you later. Okay, another very traditional Christmas Eve side dish in the Cuban Noche Buena is yuca or cassava. I could buy it fresh and have to peel it, or I buy the frozen kind. And when I buy the frozen kind, all I have to do is boil it. Once it's nice and soft, take it out, put some mojo on it, it's done. Another traditional side dish is tostones. What is tostones? It's a plantain. It's actually a green plantain that you cut up into pieces, you fry them, then you take them out, then you smash them, and then you refry them again. But we're cutting time here, right? So I buy the frozen tostones. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bake them 400 for about 20 to 25 minutes, just as good as the fresh ones. Another thing I forgot to mention, and I forgot to show you, was we also make plantains. Instead of green, you almost buy them when they're yellow and almost black. You fry them in a shallow pan. I buy the frozen ones, and I bake it. 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. That's it. From our family to yours, Merry Christmas, Feliz Navidad, y Prospero Año. Happy New Year. Thanks for subscribing to our channel. Thanks for being part of our family and our travels. And we love you all very much. Have a great New Year and Christmas.
Thank you for following our adventures with us. May this next year, God's blessings be upon you all. May you draw near to Him. And we look forward to what the new year will bring. I know we're going to have 2 new babies, so that's the best of it. Thank you all. Bye.
Bye-bye.